Sanibonani molweni and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, hello. To my new subscribers, hello. And as you can see by the title, we have a nail haul for items from Glowish Beauty. It's an online retailer. I saw it on Instagram and I ordered stuff before, but I'm ordering again. Their stuff are very affordable, and as a nail tech I struggle to get affordable nail equipment, so they're really affordable. But if you like, for you to see like the difference and to save up on your coin, it's better to buy more stuff because there's also shipping involved. But it's only 100 rand, so it's better to buy more so you can see, yeah, so you can see and actually save up on that. So what I also do when shopping for nail equipment, I compare prices. Like I'll check something out at Mimikyu and also Bling, but there are certain items that you cannot buy at Bling because it's very cheaply made, and also at Mimikyu. Yeah, but also like I buy my filers there, my buffers, and yeah, some nail art there. Yes, some nail art there. I haven't bought monomer or anything like that there, or any of their gels. So yeah. So as you can see, these AAS gel, it was 80 rand. Yes, 80 rand. And that's a LED torch. It was 50 rand. And I also have gel brushes for nail art, and also those crystals. They were, how much were the crystals? They were 60 rand, and the brushes were 35 rand. 35 rand. The brushes were 35 rand. And the dotting tools were 24 rand. The crystals were 60 rand. So it's very affordable. And the UV LED lamp, the one in the white box, it was 150. It's a bargain because it's 88 watts. It works pretty good. So yeah. So those are swatches that I bought from Mimikyu that I showed you now. And my UV LED lamp, 150, 88 watts, child. Guys, and I bought 4 of those AAS gel polishes. I bought 4 colors, 1 top coat and a base coat. And what I love about them is they're 15 milliliters, but they were 80 rand. It was a bargain for me. As you can see, I'm swatching, checking out the color of the black. Oh my word, it's super pigmented. Like 1 coat and it's already so full. Oh my word, love it. In the UV LED lamp for 99 seconds, because you know darker colors take a bit of time to dry, so yeah. I went in with a second coat, but didn't film that. My phone was just acting up. So popped it into the UV LED lamp for another 99 seconds. And now I'm going in with a thin layer of non-wipe top coat. I popped that off camera into the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. It looks amazing, can you see? Oh my word, the white looks so amazing. So we're gonna check that out also. And one thing I love about the AAS gel polish, it applies so smoothly, and I feel like it self-levels, like, yeah. And can you see it's super pigmented? One coat is like already covering the thingy up. And I don't get that with most white polishes. It's beautiful. Pop that into the UV LED lamp for 99 seconds. Oh my word, it's beautiful. I'm literally obsessed. It's super pigmented. I don't think you need a second coat, but for the purpose of the video, I'll use a second coat. applies smoothly and it's super pigmented. Oh my word. One coat is really enough, but if you want to be on the safe side, you can go with 2 coats. But 1 coat is enough, as you can see. And it's out of the UV lamp, and we're going to apply a second coat. Pop that into the UV LED lamp for 99 seconds. And we put our non-wipe top coat, just a thin layer. And now we're trying out our last color. It's nude. I mean, who doesn't love nude? Thin layer. My phone was just not cooperating, y'all. Sorry for that. But for the nude, you're definitely gonna need 2 coats because it's on the lighter side, but it looks amazing, as you can see. So these are my new babies. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll also show you guys white nails that I did with these AAS gel polish, and I'll post more videos and DIY at home videos of me doing my own nails. These are the nails that I did with the white polish AAS gel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.